What if I told you that the most powerful decisions you'll ever make come from a hidden force within you, your intuition? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to tap into your intuition and access quantum knowledge that can change your life. But there's more to this. Intuition isn't just a human trait. It's a universal principle embedded in nature itself. And stay with me, because in just a few minutes, I'll share an exercise used by people like Einstein and Steve Jobs to access their intuition and make groundbreaking decisions. Plus, we'll explore how the animal kingdom uses intuition on a daily basis, proving this isn't just human intuition, it's universal. Intuition. It's that gut feeling, that subtle nudge that tells you to turn left instead of right, or take that leap of faith. But what if intuition is more than just a feeling? What if it's a bridge to something far deeper, a connection to quantum knowledge and the universe itself? In the natural world, animals rely on their instincts or intuition to navigate, find food, and survive. It's something that transcends logic, data, and even conscious thought. Humans may call it intuition, but what if it's the same mechanism that animals and even the universe itself uses, a form of quantum connection that gives us access to information we can't consciously explain? In the quantum world, particles behave in ways we can't fully predict. Scientists call this the uncertainty principle. Intuition operates much the same way. It's not always logical, but it taps into a deeper understanding of the universe. Have you ever heard of quantum entanglement? It's the phenomenon where particles are linked, no matter how far apart they are. One move here affects another particle across the galaxy. Intuition is like this. It's that unseen connection between you and the knowledge you need, as if your mind is entangled with the universe itself. There's another fascinating concept in quantum physics, the observer effect. This principle suggests that the very act of observing a particle changes its behavior. In a similar way, when we consciously tune into our intuition, we influence the outcome of our decisions. Intuition is your mind observing the subtle signals from the quantum field, and by focusing on them, you change the reality around you. Think about the last time you had a gut feeling about something important. Was it a decision you made, or maybe a direction you took in life? Let me know in the comments if your intuition led you to a breakthrough. And more importantly, think about the times you ignored your intuition. How did that turn out? Intuition often speaks quietly, so it's important to slow down and listen. Meditation, reflection, and even daydreaming can help you connect with that inner wisdom. And when you do, that's where the magic happens. But how can you tell the difference between a gut feeling and fear, between intuition and overthinking? Here's the key. Intuition feels calm. It's clear, direct, and persistent. Fear and overthinking are noisy. They create confusion and doubt. The next time you're faced with a tough decision, ask yourself, is this feeling calm or chaotic? That's how you recognize intuition. Want to enhance your intuition? Start a journal. Write down your gut feelings, even if they seem irrational at the time. Over time, you'll see patterns emerge. Trust me, your intuition has been guiding you all along, and the more you listen, the stronger it becomes. Intuition is subtle. It doesn't shout, it whispers. But when you hear it, it can change everything. Strengthening your intuition. Einstein didn't just rely on data. He once said, "The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is its faithful servant." We have created a society that honors the servant, but has forgotten the gift. He used his intuition to imagine concepts that no one had considered before. You don't need to be a genius to strengthen your intuition. You just need practice. Your body is also a tool for intuition. Ever had goosebumps during a powerful moment, or felt a gut punch when something wasn't right? These are physical manifestations of intuition. The more you tune into your body's signals, the better you can interpret your inner guidance. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know intuition can also manifest in dreams? Some of the greatest minds in history, from artists to scientists, received their biggest breakthroughs during sleep. Your dreams may be a gateway to intuitive knowledge. Try keeping a dream journal by your bed. You might be surprised by the insights that surface. Living with quantum knowledge. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can start practicing intuitive decision-making today. This exercise is simple, but incredibly powerful, and it's the same technique many successful people use to tap into their quantum wisdom. Intuition, when paired with the understanding of quantum principles, allows us to make decisions that resonate with the flow of the universe. Nikola Tesla once said, "Instinct is something which transcends logic, beyond our five senses." Here's a simple exercise. Spend 10 minutes a day tuning into your intuition. Close your eyes, quiet your mind, and ask yourself a question you're facing. Don't overthink it. Just write down the first feeling or thought that comes to mind. Do this for a week and see what happens. You'll find that your intuitive decisions often align with your highest good. Final takeaways. Now, here's my challenge for you. Spend just 10 minutes each day this week tuning into your intuition. Write down your gut feelings. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. If this video has opened your eyes to the power of intuition, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs more intuition in their life. And don't forget to subscribe. There's much more to explore about unlocking quantum knowledge and tapping into your inner wisdom. Your intuition is the key to unlocking quantum knowledge. Start using it today.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Join Think Wiser for more wisdom and insights to elevate your life.